Hey, this is Hasba with WTI. And if you're like me and you hate seeing fingerprints, dust, smudges all over your screens, the Whoosh Pro Screen Cleaner is honestly a game changer. And let me tell you why. It's very easy to spray because the mist is so fine and even, so I am not soaking my screen or dealing with drips at all. I just need a couple of sprays and that's more than enough. And the best part is that there's absolutely no smell. And the results are instant. I just need one wipe and the screen looks brand new. I always go, the extra mile because I love, perfection. There's no haze, there's no residue left behind, and it works perfectly on TVs, monitors, laptops, my iPad, my phone, camera, anything tech, basically. And the microfiber cloth also deserves a shout out because it's so soft. It never scratches my screens, it doesn't leave dust behind. And the best part is that it's easy to wash and reuse. So I just put it in my washing machine and I'm good to go so that I don't have to constantly buy disposable wipes. And so overall, this product makes screen cleaning quick, safe, and stress-free. So if you want spotless screens like mine with zero effort, this is definitely worth having, and that's why I highly recommend it. But that's just my point of view.